All right, some of you flirting with that hot line today as the temperature kept creeping up well into the 80s.
I think it's fair to call it hot.
Yeah.
It felt hot.
Yeah. We've had this internal debate in the weather office. What's the number? For me, it's about 88.
Okay.
And we had some places that hit 88.
Okay.
Then, I'm going with you. Then it was hot.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
And the big thing today, too, is we haven't had the mugginess in
Right.
here. So that certainly helps.
It does help, but it's still hot.
Change.
That's going to change for sure. High pressure bringing us all this nice weather out there today. That coffee cup okay, Brian? Just a little spill, just a little one. He's got a long night ahead of him. Give him a break. He needs some caffeine. Big area of high pressure over the East Coast. Dry air coming down from Canada. That's been the pleasant air that we've had up until about now, because we're going to start tapping into this more humid air to the west. Look at the dew points here going from the Gulf Coast all the way up to the Great Lakes, 70 plus. Right now, our dew points are still in the low 50s. We'll start to get into some of this muggier air overnight tonight, but especially tomorrow, you'll notice it'll be stickier with dew points coming up into the 60s. And I think on Thursday, that'll be the most humid day with dew points in the upper 60s to at times around 70. So this will be some of the most humid feeling weather we have felt so far this year. Very warm, if not hot, out there now. 85 and the common number. Bangor, Augusta, Lewiston, Portland, Sanford. We're at 88 in Freiburg. And northern and eastern Maine, upper 80s. 88 degrees right now in Calais. So this evening, it's going to be really pleasant out there. Only slowly cooling down. We'll drop into the 60s and eventually some 50s for overnight lows tonight. We'll drop to about 60 in Portland and Bangor and maybe briefly into the upper 50s. But I do think that by tomorrow morning, it starts to feel slightly more humid. So here we are at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. It will warm up fast. And this particular model is pretty ambitious, warming us up into the middle 80s by midday tomorrow. And then in that warmth and in that mugginess too, we'll start to pop up some showers and thunderstorms. Now, the highest chance for these will be from central and northern New Hampshire back into western parts of Maine. I think northern and eastern Maine, much of the afternoon tomorrow is going to be dry, but from the foothills back into central Maine, a pretty good chance to get a shower or a thunderstorm mid to late afternoon tomorrow. And there still are a few out there into tomorrow evening, but notice there aren't that many on the south coast. It's probably more likely to be inland to the northwest of Portland until tomorrow night when we may catch a brief shower. Then on Thursday, we're looking at lots of clouds. There's a chance for a shower or two popping up on Thursday, more likely to be in western Maine in the afternoon. There should be some sun in the mix on Thursday, and it's muggy with temps in the upper 70s to the low 80s. 2 to 3 foot seas on the water with a southwest wind running 5 to 15 knots. So here's a look at the next 7. Went over tomorrow and Thursday. Now Friday, I think it's going to be mostly cloudy. Warmest inland at the coast will only be about 70 or 72 with an onshore wind. Then we have some showers that move through Friday night into Saturday morning, but we think we should have developing sunshine from west to east Saturday afternoon. Sunday looking good with a mix of sunshine and clouds. We think we hold off the next round of rain until Sunday night. So if that were to be the case, we get Saturday afternoon and the daylight hours of Sunday in just fine.
Bless you.
over here.
I was
We
going to
made
say
it.
bless you for making it through that forecast.
There was
While
a
we're
lot of
over
cleanup.
here,
Cleaning things up.
the prompter one fell apart. We had to chase parts around. So
We're good.
There
We're
used to
good
be
now.
somebody to do that, right?
Yeah, that is true.
it used to be.
That's okay. We're the team now.
So well done. Thank you,
Yes.
Ryan.
Thank you, Ryan.